What's up, guys? Rival GT here. So I just pulled up to my buddy's house. What we got going on tonight? So there is a track hawk, and then there is my buddy. They have ran twice so far. First time, was at the track. Track hawk jumped, and my buddy ended up taking the money, going home. They wanted to run it back. They wanted to do like double or nothing or something crazy, and it was a big pot. And you know, and so my buddy took the money, he leaves. So they ran again. This time's in Mexico, right? And that video is on my channel. I'll link it down below, but you can see what happens there. They both take off. Track hawk breaks an axle, right? So we haven't got a full fair race in so far. So tonight we're going to the track and we're gonna try it again. We're gonna see what happens.
I knew he told me that we were leaving at 8. Then he told me earlier to get dressed.
In the country hell. So a buddy pulled in way down there, said we couldn't follow him and that we had to go in this entrance, and I'm in a pasture right now. What? All right, so I just pulled into this country ass place, and I heard the announcer, God, I wish I'd recorded it, but he is screaming at somebody. He's telling them if he don't get off something, he's gonna be escorted and this and that. Man, I think it's gonna be a fun night. This is gonna be great. Got you on camera? Oh, okay. Oh, God. That's great. What's happening right now? So what's happening right now?
They just said over the intercom, if you do not have a grudge race, please get out of the station.
I'm in the station. I'm just saying. Y'all going before I buy the goddamn car. You ain't buying the goddamn car. Look, he wants that motherfucker to actually be fast for once. That's what it is. I get the shit out of you. Looking at it. I'm not selling it to you till I get that motherfucker. Then when then I'll give you something fast after I got that motherfucker.
Get this on record. We will fuck him up tonight.
Whatever fucking down and tied up here, just shoot me a text. I'm gonna go out anyways. Hey, don't worry. You ain't gonna do it.
Alright guys, so I don't know if you could hear over all the BS or not, but basically what we're gonna do, somebody busted their fucking drive shaft out on the track. They said the track's gonna be down for an hour, and we were talking to Track Hawk, and he said that we're gonna go out tonight and just do it on the street, because this is a clusterfuck. We can't get anything done, and that's gonna be the quickest and best way to go ahead and do it. So now we're on the since the track was a bust. So I'll tell you what, as big of a cluster as that was, I don't know if that's just like typical of that track or not, but seeing as it's my first time, it's 100% been a bad time so far. I don't think I want to go back there. I'm gonna be real honest. I'm kind of butthurt about that. I spent 20 bucks to get in, and I didn't get to do anything. I didn't get to see anything. You know, it was $100 to race, which is just fucking crazy to me. But yeah, that's not cool.
I would just say, buddy, I gotta go inside. Pump is this? Fucking pump is this? 18.
My boy doesn't know how to use a pump. This is grade A quality content right now, you know that? It's not really. It's garbage. I'm probably gonna delete this. I just need interesting things.
It's been a nice talk, guys.
That's why I came over here. I'm like, April will have something good to say, and then you know. Now here we are.
No, for real. I'm not that type of person. I'll tell you if I was going to. Well, they said that you said something about you needed something, and they never going to let you leave, so I figured that'd be. How much?
What they got?
Whatever. You're on a radio, so. I'll let you leave. Let you leave. I'm on a DOT radio. Yeah, let you leave up out of there. Be a fair, fun race, I guess. You think it'll be cool by the time I pull off the trailer? Yeah, it'll be cool by another 5-10 minutes. Tell me how much you want to do it for?
500?
Ah, man, I got it real detailed right now. Just do it for a couple hundred. Just I got it down on 13 race time. I'm hoping to run on the 85 race field. That's a 12-1 motor that car, so I got time to back all the way. Like 300? 200? I might drive 100 or something, a couple hundred. 250? Just do a couple hundred. Just do 200. 200? A couple hundred. That's fine with me. Alright, I'll start pulling off the trailer. Alright.
This ain't nothing but an old ass car. Let's ride.
You good? I'm ready. You got a Holly Terminator. Yeah, it's got a Terminator on it.
It's a good race because this motherfucker won't hold the ground.
That is him.
Go, turn around, damn it.
Anybody order a couple fat white kids?
Y'all fix it.
Look, I don't know. I broke the gas pedal. Get the gas.
I got a bedtime. I gotta go night-night. I gotta go Mimi's. Okay? My baby is at home saying, Papi night-night. Papi night-night. I'm ready to go night-night.
Hey, it won't take long. Hold up.
Wait a minute, yeah, Brad. Oh, this man's stupid.
Like I said, he's not gonna be here today at 2:30.
He might be stuck in that traffic.
Hey, didn't I tell you Brad should be on shit? Actually, that's about right. I'm always here early though.
Like I said, he ain't gonna get here about 2:30.
No, fuck no, not leaving from Highland, no. He won't run me. He'll be here soon. I told him he can have a hit.
Hold on.
Yeah, he won't run me.
He was just talking.
I told him I'd let him leave for whatever. No, but
he can't run.